or is studied in 5 different areas. The inlet TTS is around 2,000 ppm, and outlet water is for drinking water. Our desired recovery rate is 50%, and we will support both bomb, sand filter, carbon filter, water softener, and Cartridge filter, high pressure pump, and the membrane. And this design will help our client to solution more water quality. If you have more water questions, please connect